Lots of designers use InDesign every day in their day-to-day workflow, but almost none of them know these 4 speed secrets I'm going to show you. And when you see how simple they are, you'll wonder how you live without them. Today I'm going to show you 4 powerful shortcuts which will cut your productivity time in half. If we haven't met yet, my name's Darren Goddard, a creative production specialist. Anyway, let's get into the video and I'll show you these secrets. Now I'm going to show you these 4 speed tips, and if you stay at the end there'll be a bonus one too. So the first one is quick apply. This will save you loads of clicks and also stop you from digging through menus. It's great for applying paragraph styles without clicking through countless menus. So what we'll do is we'll select our paragraph, I'll hit Command Enter and we get this quick apply menu come up. So now we can actually select either a paragraph style or a text style. The text style, you have to select the text first, but in this case what we'll do is we'll just apply a paragraph style. So we'll hit green underline and there we have it. The whole paragraph has now turned to green underline, which I've set up as a paragraph style. What we'll do now is we'll highlight a few words, just select those. Same again, Command Enter, and then we'll apply a character style. So we'll make that bold and italics. And there we have it. In a couple of clicks, we've applied a character style to the selected text. The next one I'm going to show you is Greps. This is a super rich search and replace that can save you hours of manual searching edits. So you can use it in find and replace, or you could set it up as a paragraph style. So what we need to do now is hit Command F on a Mac or Control F on a PC and paste the grep into here. I've got this in a cheat sheet myself, and if you'd like one of these too with all the most common greps used, then please comment in the box below grep and I will send it over to you. So we'll paste that into there. So what this is going to do, this is going to find email addresses. So, and then we can actually format it here. So we can add a character style here, or a paragraph style. We'll add a character style. We'll hit one called email, okay that, and then we'll find that, and then we'll change. And there you see, hit done. We've actually changed the email address to a new style. The other way to do it is actually have it built into a paragraph style, which I've done and I'm going to show you here. So once again, we'll click into the paragraph, go to my paragraph styles, which is here, and then I hit email, which is what I've named it, and there we have it. We formatted this copy as well because I set the paragraph style up for that, and then it's picked out all the individual email addresses and changed it. So if I just double click on that and open it up, you can see if I go down to Greps, here we have it. Also, if I'd had one I set up earlier which would highlight this text and change it, but because that text wasn't actually in the paragraph, it just used this one and it changed it as per I set it up, italicized, different font weight and orange. This is a great one when you're working with magazines, span columns. So basically what we've got here is we've got 3 columns of text, and the editor comes back and says, oh, we want the content heading to run across 2 columns. So rather than spending time putting another text box in, there's a lot easier way of doing it. So what we'll do now, we'll look at this set of text here. I'm going to put my invisibles on, which is W on the keyboard, so I can see my paragraphs. So at the moment, everything is set up using the 3-column paragraph style. So what we'll do now, we'll actually go into this one and edit it, and I'll show you how it works. So we'll deselect everything. We'll double click on the heading. We'll go to the span columns. We'll now select span columns and we'll have a space after of 3. We'll okay that, and then we'll double click in this paragraph and we'll click on it. And now what we've got now is this paragraph has spanned 2 columns and the columns below are still as they should be. Great little secret here. So we've got a rectangle and we want to make it with rounded corners, and rather than having to go into Illustrator, we can do it within InDesign. So first thing we need to do is go up to here and change the profile to rounded, and instantly you can see we've started to get some curved corners. We can change this here if we want them all the same size, or if we go up to object and then we go to corner options, we can isolate each one. So we can unlink that, and that one there, which is top left, we can say 60, switch on the preview, and there we have it. We've got unequal radiuses on the corners. Now comes the bonus tip. With our document finished, we now need to export it as a PDF. So Command E on a Mac, Control E on a PC, PDF. I'm going to save that. High quality print, so that's the default. We want to add some trim marks, bleed marks and registration marks. So what we now need to do now is we need to save it as a preset, because you're going to need to use this again, and it's a pain having to come in and check out all the boxes the same, especially if you export this and then you go and select another one, you'll lose this. So you hit the save presets, call it test 1, okay that, and now you see we've got test 1 as a preset. So if I export that and then Command E again, tutorial 1, so it doesn't overwrite it, and you see we've now got a preset in there. So regardless of whether we went and exported another job like that, we could always go back to the preset that we created. Those speed tricks can save you lots of time once you start using them, and that's just a start. If you've enjoyed this video, please consider giving me a like and subscribing to the channel for more content like this. If you want to keep improving your InDesign skills and productivity, then I suggest you watch this next video here. Thanks, and keep creating.